Respected principal, teachers, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my debate is Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah Rahmatullah Ali, a great leader. तू ही शम्माए कारवां है, तू ही मंजिल की फला, तू ही शम्माए कारवां है, तू ही मंजिल की फला, जिंदा पाइंदाबाद है मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना. It is said that great people are born after centuries who change the condition of a nation with their struggle and hard work. When Allah feels pity for a nation, He sends such people in the world who bring the nation out with their struggle and hard work. And of course, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is one of them. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the bravest leader of Muslims of the subcontinent. He was a man having strong moral character. Qaid-e-Azam is the most remarkable man of his time. Throughout his life, not even his worst enemies were able to point fingers towards him. He led the Muslims of the subcontinent towards a destination. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah said that my message is all hope, courage and confidence. For his outstanding work for the Muslims of the subcontinent, he is known as Baba-e-Qaum, means the father of nation. Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, his leadership and his determination are the best examples for following the father of nation. Qaid-e-Azam blessed them a safe place to move freely, and it's all due to his leadership. सच्चाई के अनमोल असूलों को संभाला, सच्चाई के अनमोल असूलों को संभाला, जिन्ना तेरे पैगाम में जादू था निराला. Now it is our duty as a true Pakistani to follow his footsteps and work for the solidarity and prosperity of Pakistan, the place of Pak and wise people. The biggest motto of Qaid-e-Azam is unity, faith and discipline. बेअसर हो गए सब हरफे नवा तेरे बाद, बेअसर हो गए सब हरफे नवा तेरे बाद, क्या कहें दिल का जो अहवाल हुआ तेरे बाद. तू भी देखे तो ज़रा देर पहचान न पाए, तू भी देखे तो ज़रा देर पहचान न पाए, ऐसी बदली कूचे की फिज़ा तेरे बाद. और तो क्या किसी पे माँ की हिफाजत होती, और तो क्या किसी पे माँ की हिफाजत होती, हमसे एक ख्वाब संभाला ना गया तेरे बाद, हमसे एक ख्वाब संभाला ना गया तेरे बाद.